Okay, so today we're going to look at some more CSS styling. We're going to look at this tag, the division tag or the divide tag. Okay, so what does it look like? Div tag defines divisions or sections of your page. So if you want to have a different section look in a different style, this is how you do it. Okay, so our HTML looks like this. So we're going to have the start of a tag here, div, and then the ID equals box. So this will become important as we do this later on. This is the label for this section. So that means then we can apply a style to this section. Okay. Div tag is defined as start and end. So we have the start here and the end. It needs an ID so the CSS knows which one we're styling. Some content would go here for paragraphs, for example, etc., etc. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So we had our basic web page here, and now we've added a new section called div ID box, and we just put in a little piece of text here. So let's try that first of all. So we're going to go back to our file here. So we're going to put in start our tag div, and then we're going to have ID equals, and this one's called box. Okay. Close it. So just double check you've done that. Okay. ID, so we didn't need the capitals. Okay. Okay, so just leave it small letters. ID box, and then inside that we can put in another paragraph, and this time write something different. Okay, so we're going to save that. Command S to save. Next thing we do then is, so we've done that. So we put in our division tag. This is what it looks like. div ID equals box. Paragraph in the middle, some info reading, and then the end tag here. Okay, so it's very simple, same as we were doing before. Okay, so try doing that. Try adding the div tag to your website, and so we add the bits that are in bold in this section here. So now that we've done that, we're going to go back to our style sheet, and we're going to add a new section. Here it is. We're going to call it div, and the hashtag here lets us put in which one we're changing. So we're going to change the one that's called box, and we're going to make the width 80%. We're going to make the margin left by 10%, and we're going to change the background color. Okay, so let's try that out and see does that work. So I'll just go back here, open up style at CSS. So it has to be between the two curly brackets. So I'm just going to go there, press enter. This time we're going to type in div, and then hashtag. This time it's going to be, okay, let's check again just. Div box. Okay. Actually, I forgot myself there. It should be, yeah, so it should be div, and then box, and then open our curly brackets again, and we're going to enter in the information we need here. So, okay, so we have like that anyway. Okay, so we're going to have width, WITH, and that should be like that. Full screen, and then we can switch it over. So yeah. Okay, so we have width, and then the width is 80%. Okay. Semicolon to finish it, and then we have margin left, MARGIN, so it actually shows it here for you, and it says 10%. Okay, And then next one, background color. There it is, background color. And this should be, we can just choose a color here. So let's go for green, greeny yellow. Okay, and save. So let's see, does that work then? So let's see if I go back to this page. Okay, I don't like that. So we can just go to here, index. Okay, so there we go. We've got something different here. It's now moved over a little bit in the middle for us. Okay, so that means we have space here. We've changed the color. We've written something different in there. So give that a try. So give your box some style by adding the section in bold to your CSS document. And of course, if you want, you can try this next part to find out how to give your box a border. Okay, so you need to put the code in for the border. So try that and see.